Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the impressive features of the 2025 Komatsu D375A-8 Bulldozer, a machine that stands out in the heavy equipment industry. The Komatsu D375A-8 is engineered to deliver exceptional performance in mining and heavy construction applications. Its robust design and advanced features make it a preferred choice for demanding tasks. At the heart of this bulldozer is the Komatsu SAA6D170E7 engine, producing a net forward horsepower of 610 HP, 455 kilowatts, and a net reverse horsepower of 748 HP, 558 kilowatts, at 1,800 revolutions per minute. This power enables the D375A-8 to handle substantial loads with ease. Weighing approximately 160,000 pounds, 72,900 kilograms, the D375A-8 offers stability and durability on challenging terrains. Its operating weight enhances traction and pushing capability, essential for large-scale earth-moving projects. The bulldozer features blade options to suit various applications. The semi-U blade has a capacity of 24.2 cubic yards, 18.5 cubic meters, while the full U blade offers a larger capacity of 28.8 cubic yards, 22 cubic meters. These blades are designed with a slanted edge for efficient digging and material handling. Operator comfort is a priority in the D375A-8's design. The spacious cab is equipped with ergonomic controls and advanced climate control systems, ensuring a comfortable working environment during extended shifts. Enhanced visibility and reduced noise levels further contribute to operator efficiency and safety. Maintenance is streamlined with features like centralized greasing points and ground-level service centers. These design elements minimize downtime and facilitate routine checks, keeping the machine operational and reducing overall maintenance costs. Regarding pricing, the Komatsu D375A-8 is a significant investment. For instance, a used 2021 model with approximately 2,940 hours was listed at $1,350,000 AUD plus GST. While prices for new units can vary based on configurations and market conditions, they are expected to be higher than this figure. The Komatsu D375A-8 Bulldozer exemplifies power, efficiency, and operator-centric design. Its advanced features and robust construction make it a valuable asset for large-scale mining and construction projects. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Komatsu D375A-8. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from Car Updater.